How to use SD card as internal storage in Android. So if you want to use SD card as internal storage in Android, then first open up your settings application and make sure that you've turned on the developer options. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply scroll down and go with the system option. Under system here, you will have developer options. Tap on developer options. Once you tap on it, make sure it is turned on, and then you need to scroll all the way down. Once you go with the down, now here you will have an option of force allow apps to write on. So you just need to simply find that option. Here I have the option of force allow apps on external, or you'll have force allow apps to write on. So what you need to do is just simply go and turn on or toggle on the option. Once you toggle it on, then it will make any app eligible to be written to internal storage regardless of manifest values. So that's how you can use your SD card as internal storage in Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.